Okay, welcome to Friday, October 2nd. We're continuing working on our target. I can describe shared characteristics among organisms that provide evidence for common ancestry. So we were in the first unit looking at the ecosystem as a whole and interaction between populations, but now we're moving into looking at the individual organisms and what made them what they are today. What characteristics do they have, and how do we think they got there? And looking at the evidence that scientists have used to determine what species are related to what species and how the different species have developed over time. So you have your mind stretcher that's in Canvas. If you didn't finish the NOVA training trees mission, go ahead and do that. And then do the Rocking the Earth. Notice there is a blue notebook by Rocking the Earth. You're going to take a screenshot of one of your phylogenetic trees. And if you have a digital notebook, you want to load it into your digital notebook, either your PowerPoint or your OneNote. And then if you have the paper notebook, I would sketch a phylogenetic tree out. Then the very last thing we're starting a new unit, new term. On Fridays, we're going to look and put in key vocabulary terms into Padlet. And so, let's see here. And you'll notice when you're in Padlet, I have the weeks in columns. So please pay attention, the dates that are there, and you'll only post in this column this week. And the next week you'll post in the next column. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to look back at the week in review. What were terms that you think that are important, that relate to, let's see here, that relate to the target that we've had this week, that relates to the concepts we've been exploring, the things you've came across when you were developing your phylogenetic trees. And I want you to prioritize as a type of reflection on the week. What do you think are the 3 key must-know terms? And then you're going to go to Padlet and you're going to put the term, you're going to define the term, and then you're going to put a graphic that you think goes really well with that term. And here's an example that I have. And let's see here. Here we go. Here's the pre-AP one. And the example is there for you. And Padlet's really simple to do. To add your note, you click the plus sign. Of course, you're going to do it in the right column. And then here's your title. This could be where you actually put the word. And then click where it says write something, and you can cut and paste the definition, or you can type it. A cut and paster. And then to add your picture, if you click on this, it allows you, let me see if I can scroll up. You can upload, you can link, you can do a Google search for images, hint, hint, or you can take a photo of your camera if you want to enact, if you think you can, or if you draw a picture of the term, say you're using your notebook, and you draw a picture of a term or something that you've done this week and you want to snapshot that, that's an option too. There we go. So you can upload, link, clicking on the 3 dots. As in almost everything you work with, the 3 dots always give you a menu and more information. And so you would upload your picture. If you're not you don't like what you did, you can always delete that post. You can change, let's see, once you have it, you can change the different colors. You can edit it. You can't copy and transfer because I'm the owner of this. So each week, that's what we'll do. So as we go through the week, start thinking, man, this is an important term. She said it 4 or 5 times. It's bold and it's royal blue. And I know royal blue are key terms that I need to know. So those are the words you want to try to pay attention to. And once again, looking at your targets, for the week, going back into Canvas and looking through your activities for the week. Of course, this week you won't do the scavenger hunt, so totally ignore Tuesday. And you want to mostly focus on Wednesday, Thursday, and what we're doing today, Friday. Okay, that's today's recap.